Pakistan Army has launched a new strategy to capture militants in the restive Swat Valley of northwest Pakistan, located around 160 km north of Islamabad. The new plan, which has been chalked out through the joint efforts of both Pakistani Army and a Jirga Peace Committee, suggests a camp to be set up outside the district for those families whose individuals are wanted by the law enforcing agencies for their alleged involvement and links with terror activities.
We have decided that the families of those militants who have gone into hiding have to be driven out of the region so that there should be no more threat to the people here.
The families will only be allowed to live in a camp administered and observed by the forces. And this, as experts say, is meant to hold them from creating any unrest in other parts of the country.
The camp for those families are going to be set up outside the district and to ensure that they become incapable of passing any information about the movements of security forces. The camp will be kept under strict surveillance by the security forces.
It is said much of the valley has been cleared of militants after a military operation last year against them, which displaced more than 2 million people of Swat.
After the military operation, situation has improved. Business is now running again and peace has come to the region. We don't feel any threat now as the security forces have made the area safe for us.
However, sporadic clashes between militants and the troops, as well as bombings and target killing of pro-government and anti-militant leaders, have fueled concerns of militants' resurgence in the region. According to official figures, military offensive has killed so far 4,000 pro-Taliban militants, while there are still 1,000 of them at large, wanted by the security forces. Meanwhile, the Jirga has declared it will confiscate the properties of all wanted militants and will expel their families from their hometowns if they fail to surrender by May 20. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Swat Valley.